Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Paridhi's Knowledge Hub. I am Paridhi Singh and this is my first ever YouTube video and I am going to provide you with more knowledgeable and English speaking content on this channel. And for that I need your love and support. So friends, in today's video, I am going to talk about something super cool, interesting and informative, and that is English. Do you know why it is considered as a global language? We are going to find an answer to this question in today's video. So, watch this video till the end. Let's dive in. English is spoken by millions of people all around the world. It is not just spoken in English-speaking countries like the USA and UK, but also in countries like India, Nigeria, Philippines, and many other countries all around the world. But why is that? Well, a long time ago, countries like the USA and Britain had a lot of power. They used to trade with many countries and even colonize some of them. So, people in those places started learning English to communicate with them. And guess what? English is still super important nowadays because of things like the internet, movies, music, etc. So if people want to talk to other countries or do business together, they will speak in English because it is like a common language everyone understands. So English being a global language and being able to help people communicate with other countries is pretty cool, right? And do you know, English also plays a vital role in our country, India. As you can see, people are so crazy to learn this language nowadays because it is the language of business, science, and technology. Many Indian movies, music, and TV shows are also in English or have English subtitles, making it even more popular. So isn't just a language. It is a bridge that connects India to the rest of the world. So this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification whenever I post a new video. Bye bye everyone.